How to log in into CIBC online banking account. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for CIBC online banking login. Head over to the very first site, CIBC online banking. You will be landing on the official page of CIBC. So in order to log into your account, first thing first, you have to enter the card number associated with your account. Once you have entered, simply enter the password that you have created before. Well, if you want them to remember your card number, then you have to click on this checkbox, remember this card number. So once you have entered your login credential, you have to click on sign on. Once you click on sign on, you will be successfully logged in to your CIBC online account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your CIBC online banking account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.